Hey, everybody, and welcome back again. It's your girl, Georgette. And guys, if you are new to me and joining me for the first time, it is so good to have you. Welcome. My name is Georgette, and a little bit about my channel is that my channel is all about inspiring you and motivating you. And in doing so, I promise you, you will be transformed because I've truly transformed my life. And so, if you haven't subscribed, please do not subscribe until the end. Smash it in on the end and put your notifications on, guys, because I bring you a video every day, and you may share the video as well and drop a comment in the box below. YouTube loves interaction, yeah, because they want to know that if you're on their platform, that people are liking your content, and so they will show it to lots more other people, yeah, and that's what I want. I think all my videos deserves to be shown to millions of people, and they will be. So guys, let's get right into it. And guys, I am like hours, not hours away, I'm like a day away from my birthday. Yes, guys. So this girl is in celebration mode, but this birthday takes on a different meaning for me. But I'll do a video on my birthday about that, about how different this birthday is for me. So guys, the other night, was it 2 nights ago? My mentor did, was it a midnight? It just went live at like 1 a.m. in the morning. And I was working. I'm normally up, and I was working. And I was so happy that I caught his live because he has been such an inspiration to me. And I, in return, then can bring the content that I have learned and that I have applied to my life. And what he was talking about three things, three major things. These are the three things that you really need to really becoming a great, successful person. Everybody wants, I don't know if everybody want to be great. And that's one of the things he said. There are three things that we all need to know or to be aware of and to implement in our lives in becoming the great person. Because let me say this to you, all babies were born with greatness in them. When a baby is born, beautiful, innocent baby, greatness is inside of each child. But you have to cultivate that greatness, like for my girls. My big daughter, she started swimming at 9 months old. She's a good swimmer, and both my girls swam in the national meets before I put them on to track and field, because I love track and field, and track and field gives a lot of scholarships more than swimming. And so when you have this baby, I know that some parents give their babies second language, third language at a very early age. And even that right there, so they're cultivating their child, bringing out the greatness at an early age. Very same thing as an adult. And so the first thing my mentor said is the very first thing you need, and I have that in my ebook. I'm going to leave the link to my free ebook. And the very first step in becoming a great person is believing that you can. That self-belief is a serious thing, guys. Do you truly believe that you can become a millionaire, a multi-millionaire? Do you truly believe that you can have 6, 7 streams of income? That's serious belief, self-belief. And that's the first thing he said. Non-educated black man, grew up in the ghetto. The thing is, he had to come to the conclusion that, yes, he is worthy of great success and great wealth. And before he did not believe that, nothing happened. And until he believed it in the core that, you know what? I deserve wealth. And I believe that with the knowledge that he gained, that he truly could be the successful person. And that's what he said the other, well, that was a 1 a.m. What morning that was? One morning I was up, I was still working, and I saw where my mentor was live, and I switched right over and I went onto his live. And I gained so much value. I took a lot of notes. I have papers with the notes right here, so I could remember what the steps are, which I do know what the steps are. And so the first one, he said, you must believe it is possible. You must believe, if you have no education and no degrees, you gotta know that it is still possible. It's not your education, it's not your degrees. And I try to tell a lot of people that. You have to believe in your core that it is possible for you to be successful. If you at this present moment have no formal education, you're at the right place. You're watching the right video, actually. Because if you research a lot of very highly successful people, millionaires and even billionaires, most of them, if you listen to their story, never finished high school and never went to college. So it tells me it's not the education. You can develop a skill at any moment. You can develop success habits at any moment and change your life for great success. So that is the first one in becoming a great successful person, is believing that it is possible for you. Guys, I want you to hear me. And not just hear me, but ask yourself that question. Look in the mirror, guys. Do I really believe that I can become a millionaire or multimillionaire? For me, undeniably, heck yes. I have implemented those success habits, and I know that my habits, my routines, and everything that I've implemented in my life, that I'm right on the money. Yeah? So that's the first thing, guys. Look at yourself and say, do I believe I really can be successful? And when you can really undeniably say, yes, I do believe, even though I have no education, then you've already, number one, that's the step one, you've already conquered step one. Step two, step two is you got to want to be great. Yeah. Guys, not everybody wants to be great, Do you know that there are persons that are satisfied with working a 9 to 5 and getting minimum wage and just work to pay their overheads and perhaps go to the bar or to the club and have a drink or two and go back to work every day 9 to 5 and do the same thing? Do you know that there are persons that are comfortable with that? Do you know that there's some persons that really don't want to take on all of this to be great? They are persons. So that is step two. You have to conquer step two. And that is, do you really want to be great? You got to ask yourself, do you really want to be great? After believing in yourself, then ask yourself, do I really want to be great? Do I really want to be successful? Because not a lot of persons want. Do you know, what is it I posted? I posted something. I'm not certain if it's Facebook or Instagram. And it was a luxury car. What was the title or something I said? If you want to be, what are your goals and your dreams? Something I said. And a lady's response was, she's not flashy. She just want to be comfortable just to pay her bills. And that's real. Not everyone wants to be successful. Not everyone wants to be a millionaire. Not everyone wants to be a multimillionaire. Not everyone wants to drive the Rolls Royce or the Bentley or the Mercedes Benz like I do. Those are my three dream vehicles. The G-Wagon, the Continental GT V8, black Bentley, and the Ghost Series 2 white Rolls Royce with tan plush leather interior. Yes. What's that on my nose? Yes. And so, guys, that is step two to conquer. Do you really want it? Do you really, really want to be great? Ask yourself. Or are you comfortable where you're at? Or you just want a nice little home and a family, a wife, 2 kids, and just be comfortable. And that's okay too. But that's why my mentor says you have to ask yourself the question, do you want to be great? And then the third step that he said, which I know, you got to work diligently at it daily. You have to work at your goals. You have to work at your dreams and your desires. To become very successful, it will not fall in your lap. I promise you, I work daily at my goals and my dreams. I implement habits and I practice these habits. I practice these routines daily. Repetition is how you program yourself, is how you form a habit, because a habit is something you do day after day with repetition. And so the final one is, are you working at your goals and your dreams every day? What effort are you putting in daily? Are you making little steps? Because guys, it doesn't have to be big steps, It doesn't have to, some people think it's a massive thing you got to do. Just do a research, read a book, find a vlog or a blog on the very thing that you desire to do. Do you want to get into internet marketing, affiliate marketing, stocks, forex, trading? Research each day. Do something that you are moving forward each day on the goal. So the 3 steps are, 3 steps. First, believe that it is possible that you can become highly successful. Believe that you can become a multi-millionaire. Believe that you can become a millionaire or very, very successful. You have to do that first. And then the second one is, do you really want it? Do you just want to be comfortable? Some people just want to be comfortable and just have a little bit of money here and there and pay all the bills. Some people just don't want to worry about the bills at all. You have a lot of people that are like that. They just don't want to worry about the mortgage or the rent or the school fees. So you just want to make sure your kids' school fees are paid, the rent or the mortgage is paid, you have food, you have a couple of dollars you perhaps can go out to eat once or twice a month, and you'll be happy. Some people are that way. I know I'm not that way. I desire greatness. And that's what I'm going after. I'm laser focused on greatness. And then the last one is, you must do something every day towards the goal, towards the dream, and you will arrive at it. Also, one of the things he said, how someone asked the question, how long? He said, until. You sacrifice whatever you need to sacrifice, the friends, the partying, the drinking. You sacrifice that until you reach the desired goal. How long should I work on my dreams and my goals each day? Until. And that's what he said. So guys, those are the 3 steps. You can implement them in your life. And you too can be the successful person as long as you believe it's possible. So guys, I think this is the time, if you haven't subscribed, to please smash in on the subscribe, like, share, put your notifications on, guys, and drop a comment in the box below. Do you believe it's possible for you, even with no education, even with no family members, even being abused as a kid, even whatever your nationality, your color? Do you believe it's possible? Whichever country you are living in, do you believe it's possible? Drop a comment in the box and say, I do believe it's possible. And guys, keep watching. I'm going to leave other videos popping up. It's your girl, Georgette. In the link below, it's the ebook that I'm going to leave. And that has a lot about believing in yourself, implementing habits, and just about, it's all about success and wealth. And so I'm going to drop the link for the free ebook. I'm also going to drop the link for a guide that will guide you into great success in record time. I love you. I thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Much love. Mwah!